If you're an Amazon seller and you're not tracking your organic ranking for your products and keywords, you're missing out. You're not optimized. You're probably wasting a bunch of money on PPC. You don't even know where to focus your time and energy. So in today's video, I'm going to open up the curtains. I'm going to show you guys how to use DataDive's Rank Radar. This is one of the coolest softwares I've ever seen, and I'm going to show you guys the insights this is going to give you to help you make more money as an Amazon seller. With the cost of FBA fees going up, PPC costs going up, if you don't understand these certain metrics, you're going to be wasting a lot of money. So with that said, let's jump in my screen and let's break it down. So just to give you guys a quick sneak peek, we're going to give you guys data like this: every single keyword and the search volume of the keyword and where you are ranking by day and what position on page 1 or page 2 you are actually ranking. This is incredible. As you can see, we got a lot of green, so this is good. But then you can see red. Those are places that you can improve. So I'm going to break it down right now. So the first thing you guys need to do is get DataDive. I'll put the link in the description. You guys can get an exclusive discount plus a free trial. The link will be down below. Download the extension. Right here, you can see it, DataDive right here. And once you have that downloaded, you're going to go to Amazon and search for your main keyword that describes your product. So for this example, we're just going to say that I sell this fire hydrant for dogs. And for whatever you sell, search for that main keyword. And from there, you're going to click on the dive box. So this little shortcut extension tab, click dive box. An extension is going to pop up that you probably have seen from other software tools. This is really cool. It's going to give you guys all the analytics that you need to know about the product. And just quick side note, DataDive does a lot more than just Rank Radar. They literally do everything for me when it comes to verifying my products, building out my listings, helping me improve my product. I mean, the list goes on. This is just one element of their suite of tools. So it is an absolute must. So right here, you can see kind of the entire market. And what you're going to want to do is find your product and also your main competitors' products. And you're going to toggle these to turn on. And you're going to want to select at least 10 to 15 of your competitors' ASINs. So right here, we got these selected, and I also have the product that I sell selected, and I'm going to hit dive. From there, you're going to generate what's called a master keyword list, and it's essentially just a reverse ASIN lookup, but on steroids. It's going to give you way more data than you even knew was possible. And this is super valuable when it comes to optimizing your listing, verifying products, and then obviously tracking your rank with Rank Radar. So right here, we have our master keyword list, and just kind of another sneak peek. You can see your competition, how many variations they have, the listing age, the price, the revenue, and then you can come over here and you can see where your competition is actually ranking for. So right here are the search terms, and then you can see which position they are currently at. And so you can be like, okay, this seller is really good. I mean, they're ranking at position 322 basically for all these different keywords. Like, what can I learn from them? Like, there's a lot of different ways that you can go about it. But once you have the master keyword list created, again, you create that by going to your keyword, selecting your competitors, hit dive. It will take you to here. And then one thing that you'll want to do is clean up your keyword list. So if there's a keyword that just doesn't make sense, then you'll just want to come over here and click on it, and you'll want to remove it from the MKL. And MKL stands for master keyword list. So you can exclude it. But once you have all of your keywords, like, okay, these are good keywords, this fits, you're going to come over here to what's called Rank Radar. And I'll pull this up right here. And then you're going to come over here and click New Rank Radar, and you're going to select your hero ASIN. So this is your ASIN of your product. And I'll just show you real quick. I'll come over here and copy just a random ASIN, and I'll show you guys exactly what we're doing. And once you paste it in, it's going to ask you whether you have an existing or new niche. And in this case, we're going to do existing because we literally just created that master keyword list for the dog fire hydrant. So that's why I was showing you guys to actually create that master keyword list. And you can come over here and you can actually select it. So we'll come right here, and I have a few. And so we'll just find it right here, fire hydrant for dogs. And then from there, you can hit create Rank Radar. So once you have that created, it's going to look something like this. Now I have a lot of Rank Radars actually created for different clients and for my products. And so I have those blurred out. But right here is an example of the one that I just created. And I'm going to show you kind of what that looks like. So we're going to click inside of it. And the first thing is you're going to have an overview. Now, with this being a brand new Rank Radar, it's not going to have all the information because it's only been tracking since today. But as the days go on, I'll show you an actual one where there are a lot of days, a lot of back history that you can actually go in and analyze and actually get the valuable information that you need. But for now, you can see that I just started tracking this one today. You can see your top 10 search terms. You can see top 50. You can see the bestseller rank. You can see the overview graph. Again, not all of this is filled out because the information is not yet there. We'll come over here to the heat map, and this is probably my favorite part. This is going to show you the actual keywords. It's going to show you the search volume. It's going to show you the relevancy score. So how relevant is this keyword to your product? And it's going to show you your median rank. And so right here, the median rank is the same as what this is because, again, it's only been tracking for one day. But as you track for multiple days, this is going to adjust. And this is where the super valuable information is at. So you can see today, Friday, I am ranking on position 4 for this keyword, which is great. Like this is a really good keyword. I'm at position 4. This one, fire hydrant, I'm in position 5. This one, I'm at position 7, but we can come over here and see that there are some other ones where I'm like, okay, I'm just not ranking for them very much, but like they have decent search volume. So this dog pee post, I'm position 15. The relevancy score is 85%. There's some decent search. Okay, well, is there something that I can do to maybe get my ranking to increase? And so that's where you might want to go adjust a bullet point. Maybe you want to go adjust a backend search term. Maybe you want to turn on a PPC campaign that is specific to this keyword dog pee post and try to get that ranking a little bit higher than 15. And what's cool is you can come right here and create a tag and you can say, hey, I changed or I updated the title or I started a new PPC campaign or I did XYZ on this date. And then you can let it run for 3 days, 5 days, and then come back and see if it did anything. There's so many times as Amazon sellers, we make these changes and we don't even know if it did anything. Where with Rank Radar, we have that insight and the ability to know what is going on the listing. That is so valuable, and that alone makes this entire software worth every single penny, not to mention the 20 other tools that come with it. Do you guys kind of see what I'm saying? You guys are able to make these adjustments and know if it's actually working. And so that's a really cool feature, and you can create a tag of whatever you want. Again, to just note down, I made XYZ change. And then when you come back a few days later, you can be like, oh, I made this change. Did it do anything? Or maybe it made things worse. And if it made things worse, then you need to go back to what you were doing before. So that is what this is going to allow you to do. It's super, super powerful. And I love everything about Rank Radar. It's super easy to set up. And now what I want to do is actually show you a keyword that we've been tracking or a product that we've been tracking that has a lot more data. And so here is a product with a lot more data. And as you can see, there's a lot more information that is a lot more valuable because there's just more days. The more days that you track, the more insights you're going to have to make a deciding factor of what's working and not. So this is basically over the last month. You can see, again, the organic rank averages. You can see the top 10 search. You can see all of this just in the overview. Again, you can see the best sellers rank, the overview graph. And then right here, you can see the going up. So what are the gainers and what are the losers? And you can kind of put focus on those right there. So that's the overview. The overview is great. But what I like to do is come to this heat map. And this is where things get really interesting and give you the data that you actually need to know on what's working and what's not. So right here, you can see the search volume. We're tracking 62 keywords. And this is a client of ours. They're crushing it. And you'll be able to see kind of what they're doing. You can see the search volume right here. The aggregate is 250,000 searches, which is crazy. And they're basically, their average rank is 7-6 position, which that's on the first page, like they're crushing it. And then you can see the search volume, the relevancy, which how relevant is the product? That's super important. If it's irrelevant, maybe that's something that you don't want to put as much spend on, or maybe that's something that you want to test to see if it is relevant when people are searching for it. And then right here, it literally breaks it down by date, by day. And so right here, it's inverted. So this is November 21st. So this is today. And then this is October 23rd. And you can kind of see what the progression has been like. So for example, if we come over here, like these keywords that are super high search, like they're crushing it. They're ranking super well and they're maintaining that rank. And you can see over here in October, they were good, but now they're better because they make those little tweaks. You can see right here, they were worse in October and it's slowly getting better. And then right here, this is a really good example. They were 58, 55, 101, 67. And look at this. They're slowly working their way down and their position rank is getting better and better because they're making those tweaks, they're making those improvements, and they're able to actually track what's going on. So Rank Radar literally opens up the door to everything that you need to know about your current products. So if you guys are selling on Amazon and you're not tracking your organic rank, like this on a day-to-day basis. And when you make those changes, when you update a PPC campaign or when you update a title or when you update an image or a bullet point or whatever you do, you want to make sure that you note that down on the tags. And then you come over here and you track it every single day to see if it's actually doing anything. So that's why this is an absolute must. And again, we've been using it on all of our clients, all of our students, and it's an absolute must. So again, I'll put the link in the description for Rank Radar by Data Dive. They do a lot more than just this. And I have a ton of other videos on the channel that break down how I verify, how I use AI. They have an AI tool to help you improve and differentiate your product. You can use this for your PPC campaigns. You can use AI. They have an AI optimization tool that will literally build out a listing for you to help you make sure that you are as optimized as possible. And then it allows you to track your rank just like this. So cool. Very easy to look at. Green is good, red is bad. Make those changes, track your products, and I'm excited to hear about your guys' results. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.